Hey kitty cats! So today I'm gonna show you some stuff from Ulta. So, not a lot. Excuse me, just a few things. Sorry if that's loud. I tried to do them the least loud. Some people like copying these things and hearing a really loud bang. They find it satisfying, but I find it loud and very annoying, so I don't do that. Okay, so to start off with, I got some things. My daughter loves bath bombs, so I got her some. This is a flamingo. Can you see it for the wrapping? It's a flamingo. These are Whim by Ulta Beauty. And I got this other one that's a rainbow, which I thought was like perfect for the time of year. You know, it's Pride Month, so I thought that'd be really cute. I also separately got her, not from Ulta, but from T, is it called? It's called T something. Great, I can't think. I got her a t-shirt that's Deadpool, getting very excited about unicorns and cats and stuff that are surrounding him. It's really cute. But she already took off with that, so can't really show it to you. So I got some stuff from Flower Beauty. Ooh, if I can get it all out. Here. Yes. Wait, there's 3. Yeah, I got 3 of their sticks here. Flower sticks. Color for eyes and lips. So they're called scribble sticks. I got one in Plumsicle. Why do they always need to make it so difficult for us to get open, right? Okay, here we go. I think I got it. Yep. So this is Plumsicle. I like that. It's like a nice dark plummy color, which is what I like. I got this one. Sorry about, they put these stickers on. This isn't too bad. I've dealt with worse. This one is in the color Razzleberry. That's also really nice. What's nice is these can be used on your eyes too. So if you wanted to have like an eyeliner in these colors, which sometimes, especially during Halloween, I do, you know, some pretty interesting looks, and having sticks like these are really cool. And the last one, I know I just stuck my tongue out. I was trying to get this sticker off so hard that I stuck my tongue out. Oh, for goodness sakes. Come on. You can do it. It doesn't want to. It's really fighting with me. There we go. This color is called Espresso. And yes, it has like a rich coffee brown here. Very nice. Those look good. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Flower Beauty before. I keep meaning to, but it just didn't happen. And then we've got some eyeshadow primer potion. My favorite eyeshadow primer. Like, my most favorite. I love it so much. It works so well. When people say this doesn't work for them, it always like confuses me. But I realize all our skin is different, even our eyelids, so sometimes things don't work the same for the same people. And then I got these. I thought I'd gone, oh that's right, one of them didn't work out or whatever. They sent me a message saying that there was a color they were out of, which is sad. But I got these cool things from JCat Beauty called Glitter Dazzle Eye Toppers. Right? And yeah. And they each have a different color, of course, obviously. I'm gonna start out this one. If I can get them open. There we go. I haven't bought anything from JCat in a while. At one point, I was like so in love with JCat makeup. Like, even more so than ColourPop. There was like 1 year where I was just like, JCat. Everything was JCat. Like, I really was into it. I don't know what happened. Why I stopped being into it. But I saw these and thought, well, I should try these out. Because I used to love JCat. And I bet they're really great. If I just get them out of the package, that would be really awesome, wouldn't it? My God. Oh, they haven't really stuck in there. Okay, this one is the color Purple Rain. So pretty. I'm really excited to try these out. It looks silvery in the camera, but it's actually more of a gold color. So it's like gold and purple. I like-y. Now, if this doesn't take me a million years to get out, right? Why? Why are you making it so hard for me, JCat? Are you mad at me? Like, it's easy to get this part open, but then getting it out of the box. Oh, this time it was a little bit easier. That's good. The first one, getting it out, even when I tried pushing it from the other side, it just didn't want to. This one is called... That's weird. Oh, Fave Color. I thought it said ew. I was like, ew. Fave Color. Which is like pink and purple glitter. Very pretty. Let's try out this one. If I can get it open. Getting it open. Okay, this one is called Gem Fest. Nice. Very pretty, turquoise and pink. It's more of a red than a pink. Very pretty. I can't wait to try these out. I know I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I've had a rough day. Been having a rough time, as all of you know anyways, but I slept past my alarm and slept in so late. Missed an appointment that I had. It just was, well, I didn't miss it, I was just late for it. I almost missed it though. This last one is called When in Doubt, and this one is really, really pretty. I was very excited for this blue and like gold. Come on, focus. There you go. Because once again, it looks silvery, but it's actually like a gold color. And that's everything that I got. So, I gotta tell my daughter to take those bath bombs later. Everything else I'm putting back in the box, so I can take it in to the beauty room with me. We still call that room the beauty room. It's like the everything room. It is where I keep my beauty stuff, but it's also where I keep my altar. It's also where all my plants are. There's a lot going on in that room. So, that's all I got from Ulta this time around. Got Bianca these lovely bath bombs. At the time when I bought the Flamingo bath bomb, the thought was, oh, because her partner works at a restaurant here called the Flamingo, and the Flamingo Diner, and so I thought it would be really funny to give her a Flamingo bath. But now they don't work there anymore. Not on bad terms at all. They're on good terms. They just got a job that paid more, had more hours, you know, yada yada yada. So, so yeah, that didn't work out quite the way I thought it would. By the way, that restaurant is the best place to get pancakes in the area. It's so good. Like, you don't even know. You don't even know. Best pancakes. And people will, of course, like other places more. I don't. Like, there are other places that are okay for other things to eat, but when it comes to pancakes, the Flamingo. Plus, they totally understand, like, that I need, like, anyways, I won't get into that. They're just really nice people. They treat their employees really well. It's just they're not able to give them a lot of hours because things are crazy, you know? It's crazy. But because they're only a breakfast and lunch place, so they're not an evening place to eat. My brain isn't really working right now, though. The other thing they have that's really good is something called the hot mess, which is literally just potatoes, onions, mushrooms, and cheese, all fried up together with some, I think they put eggs on top. Yeah, they put like fried egg, and it's really good. I asked for less cheese because I can't handle the sodium, but if I could, I would definitely be like, yeah, all the cheese, please. Because they put a lot of cheese on it. It's really good. Anyways, yeah, I'm like totally going off subject there, huh? It's been rough lately, but here I am, and that's what I got from Ulta. And I am gonna have a Pride look that I'm gonna do really soon. Plus I want to do my empties. That definitely needs to be done. So videos coming. Plus my daughter even mentioned, she's like, hey, we gotta do the Ipsy, we gotta do this unboxing of a gift I gave to her. And so we gotta do all that. There's so much I want to do, and it doesn't get done half the time because of illness. And it sucks, but I do my best. I hope you guys are all doing well. Yeah. And keep, you know, taking care of yourself. Not just self-care, but, you know, just being safe. Okay. Bye-bye, kitty cats.